Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna give you the easiest and most effective ways to fix there was a problem resetting your computer for Windows 11. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you go to the bottom and open the start menu and search for command prompt or CMD. Once it's appeared in here, make sure you don't just open it by clicking on open, but make sure you click on run as administrator. It's gonna take you to this page and make sure you type in here reagent c // disable, then press enter on your keyboard. In the second one, type in reagent c // enable, press enter again. In most cases, doing this alone can fix the issue, but if it's not fixed yet, you can keep typing in here SFC / scan now, then press enter. But here you're gonna need to wait for the verification until it's complete. Once it's complete, you can just keep typing in here DISM // online // cleanup image // restore health, then press enter again on your keyboard. Once you finish, you can just close this page and restart your computer. Once your computer is restarted, the issue should have now be fixed. If you have tried the previous methods but it's still not working, go to system, that is going to be in settings, then go to recovery, click on restart now. That's going to be in the right side of advanced startup. Now in the window that is going to appear, you're gonna find troubleshoot, click on it, then click on advanced options, then click on startup repair. If it's still not working, go back to troubleshoot page and click on reset this computer, then click on keep my files. That should have now fixed the reset issue. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.